every family, there are a lot of birthdays to celebrate. It is more fun when not just one or two, but 5 are co-celebrants in a month. And that special occasion is worthy of celebratory meals, more so a family feast. Wishing each one year of good health and happiness with celebratory cakes. Hello, fellow food trippers! Please join our family for a quintuple birthday celebration and savor Filipino flavors at Lola Ote Restaurant, the home of the best barbecue at 24 Sergeant Pisguera Street, Barangay South Triangle, Quezon City. Lola Ote is nestled among other restaurants in this busy commercial area where diners flock after office hours and families from near or afar who want a taste of home-cooked meals lovingly prepared by their moms or grandmas like Lola Ote. Lola Ote Restaurant is a specialty restaurant with, as the name indicates, the home of the best barbecues. Their food menu lineup ranges from their old-time favorite barbecues to soup, noodles, beef, pork, chicken, fish and seafood, vegetables, rice, desserts, beverages, and shakes. The collection of menus tries to satisfy a national palate with well-known regional dishes from all over the Philippines that patrons who know how to dine well keep coming back. Our family feasted on Lola Ote's house fried chicken with crispy potato strings and their house specialty of mouth-watering pork barbecue, tenga ng baboy and isaw ng manok, served presentably in a barbecue grill swing stand, complemented with java rice and tinapa fried rice. We also delighted ourselves with dishes from the southern region of Bicol with spicy laing at hipon, an instant family favorite from the province of Batangas is the sinaing na tanige, cooked with dried kamyas, and the flavorful bulalo soup made of tender beef meat, marrow, and soft cartilage, boiled for 6 hours, made sweeter, garnished with some corn and vegetables. We also have specialties from the regions of Ilocos, like pinakbet with bagnet, Pampanga's best of fried hito at buro with pickled green mango, and kare-kare with tender slices of beef tripe in thick savory peanut sauce, served with vegetables and shrimp paste, and Malabon's well-known dish of Pansit Palabok, an authentic Filipino noodle dish. Other popular dishes we tried are our family's favorite, like the spicy beef caldereta and Pansit Canton. Our meals were capped with traditional Filipino sweet desserts with a slight twist, using other delectable ingredients and a little imagination of ensaymada at sorbetes, salted egg creme brulee, maja blanca panna cotta, and suman atlatik, where their version comes with sweet mangoes on top. Food serving is good for sharing for at least 2 to 3 persons. The restaurant is worth a visit to treat yourself, to savor good comfort foods, and reminisce the memories of heartwarming dishes and the favorite foods we grew up with. It's like coming home to your grandma's family home and being served with food just like grandma used to make for her apos. Lola Ote restaurant welcomes walk-ins but encourages reservations, especially with big groups. For inquiries and reservations, contact them at 0977 777 7235. Open daily from 11 a.m. till 10 p.m. See you on our next food trip. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment down below. Thank you for watching.